This is the video about stockout for external transfer. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. First, click on the Inventory tab. Next, choose Stocks. At the submenu on the left, select Transfer. Click on the plus button at the bottom right of the page to add stock transfer. Choose External Transfer. Fill in the details of the transfer. Fill in the item name, batch number, and quantity. Click on the right icon and then click Save. Stock transfer has now been added. As we can see, the status of the transfer is still in draft. To change the status to approve, click Approve button. Stock transfer has now been approved. Click Confirm Stockout to confirm the stockout. Fill in the stockout details. Click Confirm. The transfer stockout has now been confirmed. If we look at the list here, we can see the details, such as the price and the status, which shows as stockout. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.